talk about something else that's a hotbed on Capitol Hill right now, which is gun laws in the face of some of these major shootings that have happened in recent time. Well, now in the state of Washington, could it be that in a law there that they have accidentally included a provision that would allow police to search the homes of assault rifle owners? Apparently, it does have some sort of a provision that says in order to continue to possess an assault weapon that was legally possessed on the effective date of this section, the person possessing shall safely and secure store the assault weapon. The sheriff of the county may no more than once per year conduct an inspection to ensure compliance with this subsection. Now, why is this interesting? It's interesting because that would mean the sheriff can come to your house when you legally own guns and be able to see where you store them and what does that lead to next. Many people concerned about that. But why this story is so important is because there's actually a liberal Democrat in Washington state who is against this, even though he normally would not be. And I think that this is very interesting to point out because oftentimes this discussion is just right or left. Now you have somebody who's actually looking at the law and having an open mind and saying maybe this isn't the right way to take this.
Home inspections with no warrants is very Orwellian. And so that's why there are a lot of people in this country who, when they're talking about, well, background checks, okay, we're all for background checks, right? Well, background checks may lead to a national registration. National registration leads to, I am from the sheriff's department. We just want to see where your guns are. Yeah, that's what has a lot of people scared.
I'm fairly certain it's unconstitutional.
In fact, the chief sponsor of this bill in Washington says it's probably unconstitutional, but I just want to get the conversation going.
One of the chief sponsors never read this bill, and it's only 8 pages long, which is the other headline in this story. So if you're going to have people who are going to come up, this is what I'm talking about, you know, left and right. If you're going to have people come out and say, hey, I'm just automatically for something because that's what my party says I'm supposed to be for, before they actually read the bill, that's problematic. And this is only 8 pages. So now this guy's like, oh, yeah, well, maybe I'm not for that exact provision. I didn't read the bill.
And they're blaming it on unnamed staff members. That's